watching today to another episode of, it's a tutorial today. Today, I just got brand new channel art. Do you like it? It says, I can show you this. This is for later, but it says, Mr. Bowls fan established 2018 Go Bowls. So guys, let's start doing it. Today, I am going to show you how to make this origami plane. And I'm going to show you how to throw it later, but that's going to be in a separate video. Let me go get myself a paper. Cameraman, please stay put. Please stay there. Okay. So, to show you how to, the camera. Okay. How to make it, I'm gonna so I know what the instructions are. I'm gonna unravel it like this, so I know what to do. But while further on to do, let's get started. Here's your piece of paper right here. See that? Shoot, hold it like there. There. You fold it. I gotta see. Up and down. So you go like vertical, I think? It was vertical? Yeah, vertical. Yeah. Vertical. There. Stand up. There. You like on vertical, okay? And this cameraman's awful. Just stand. I'm having technical difficulties. Hold me a sec. This. There. Perfect. No. There. And come on. You nitwit. There. Alright. So first, you hold it like this. Like this. Okay? Let me fold it off camera. While you're waiting, you can look at this guy. While you're waiting. This is gonna take me a long time. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna do stuff off camera a lot because I don't wanna do some stuff, and this is probably gonna be my waiting screen. Alright, wait. So, like I said, fold it in half, vertically. I think it's vertical. So it should look like this. Okay. Crease it very good to get it into its right position. Alright, you, mister, get out. You get out. So that's what it is. Next up, when you get this half slice here, I just put it there. Okay. Pull it up. I'll pull up. Okay. This is just an off cameraman. Tilted on the angle. Oh, here's not direction, but here. You unfold it. Unfold the wrap. So it should be. That's okay. Thing. Here it is. Okay. Wait. Let me see. Okay. Actually, gotta take off this thing. Alright. See this? Hold it like that, man. Alright. Alright, so you should have it like this thing. I don't know if the brightness is working. I'll help you with the brightness. But I'm trying to change the brightness, but it's not working. I don't know cameras. Okay, hold it like this. Stand up on the chair. Sorry about this, guy. While you're waiting, you can watch this guy. Stand up, stand up, stand up. I said stand up on the chair. Right there. Perfect. No, on the chair. On the chair. Shh. On the chair. I said on the chair. Stand on the chair. On the chair. Stand on it. Thank you. Alright. Let's got this guy. Hey, where did you get from? Get out of here. Okay. So, it should be technically like this. Let me just do it on this one. I refolded it. You don't figure out the brightness anyway. No, stop it! Oops, dang it. This is gonna be terrible quality because this thing is awful. But here, I dropped. Oh, dang it. This is awful. Let me fix it. Oh my lord, this is awful. This is gonna be awful. Okay, this is so shaky. There you go. Here, so it should be like this. Next, you fold it like this. So it should look like that. Let me go to this camera. And call it and go with this. Okay. Next, I think. Let's see. Oh, you make it so it's like. Wait. Hold me. Do this. Like this. Oh, just for extra measures, just fold this here. This is extra step, but that doesn't matter. So that doesn't matter. It just help you to align this. Now you're gonna make the point part. You do this. The triangle here. If I'm going too fast, there's a just pause it if you need to, and then there's a camera setting. I think if you do have it. And here we go. Here is your point. Okay. Next, let me do it on this point. So just like this. Okay. Next, you fold this one down to here. Okay. Okay. Move it there. Just keep it there, and then you just do it like this. Good crease. So it looks like this. This kit one, here it is. Okay. Next one. There's already a crease here. You just fold it, I think. Let's see. Here it is. There it is. You turn it over like this. And do it like, and try to equal it so it's better. Try to do just what I did. Look, this, I turn it over, and I just fold it like that. So it should have good creases, please. All right, you see this right here? See, you see that? Alright, so it should look, see this, turn over, it should look this. Next. And let me demonstrate on this point. Like this. Should be like this. Okay. Next part of it, you just bend this to be just like this. Make sure it's like this and it's equal to the side right here. So just crease it this way. And then do it to the other side. Make sure these are very good creases. I'm just going fast because I don't want to make it about that long. So it should look like this. You're not done yet. See? To make it more faster, please roll up this point right here. This part right here. Something like this, and then let go. So, and then lift it up a little. Same thing on this other side. What in the world is my... Oh, wait. what happened to the here. There's it. Let me do it. Okay, right up there, and here's your plane. It should look like this. If I were to show you on this one, it should look like this. And try to, you know, put it like there. So it's like those hover things. You know what I mean? This is what I look like on a regular plane. This is just freestyled, and just there. This is gonna be cool. So if I was gonna test out this plane, here, let me take up this plane here, and then throw it just like this. It should. Yeah, let me try to do a short. Shoot, it's not landing on the perfect thing. There we go. It should look like this, and it should land for this. To reset it, just fold it like that. Let's try it on a new design. A design we just made. See, it did this. Now I'm going to show you some advantages and disadvantages with it. When it goes down like an ankle, there's no way, but there's a way it could actually catch it. So if I were to show you this, let me go my old plane. So then it's not awful. Okay, did this? It just bounces up, and then yeah. So wait a minute, and then so let me just something like this so I can finish up the vid. Oops, wrong way. Alright, hold it, guys. Thanks for watching, and as always, survive.